Indicator number 1, the trading cartel V1. The very first indicator on my list is the trading cartel price action V1 indicator, and I'm not saying this because it's my indicator. This indicator literally changed the way I trade. Before I created the trading cartel price action V1, I would spend hours analyzing charts, drawing support and resistance zone, identifying market structure manually, and sometimes after all that analysis, I would still miss the trade completely. So I decided to build an indicator that could simplify everything. Till today, this indicator remains the very first indicator I personally load on my charts. In fact, most of my sniper entries you see on social media are executed using this indicator. Now, if you want to find this indicator on TradingView, it's very simple. Head over to your TradingView, click on the indicator tab and search for trading cartel V1 price action. Add it to your chart and you're good to go. Now, let me show you exactly how this indicator works. The first thing you'll notice on the charts are labels called break of structure and change of character. BOS, which simply means break of structure. Whenever you see a BOS, it tells you that price has broken a previous high or low, confirming that current trend is likely continuing. For example, on the chart shown, we can see multiple bearish break of structure BOS signals as price continues making lower lows. This confirms that sellers are still controlling the market. Next, you'd notice CHOCH, which is change of character. CHOC stands for change of character. This is one of my favorite features because it helps identify potential market reversals. A CHOC often tells you that momentum may be shifting and that the market could be preparing for a new direction. Another feature you notice are these colored zones. The red zone represents supply zones or potential selling area. Whenever price returns into the zones, I'm already preparing for possible sell opportunities. The green zones represent demand zone areas or buying areas. These are areas where buyers have previously entered aggressively and there's a high probability that price may react there again. For example, on the chart we can clearly see price reacting beautifully from the lower green demand zone before pushing higher. Another powerful feature is the multi-time frame dashboard located at the top right corner. This instantly tells us the direction of the market across multiple time frames. In this example, the 15 minutes, 1 hour, 4 hours, and daily time frames are all bearish. Whenever I see this kind of alignment, I know the market favors sellers and I focus mainly on sell setups. The indicator helped me execute some of my cleanest sniper entries and it can do same for you. If you want access to this indicator absolutely free, simply message my admin on Telegram with the word price action V1 free. My team will guide you immediately.